What's up guys, Danny here with Just Ride. Today I'm going to show you how to fold our favorite city bike, the Brompton bicycles out of the UK. Step one is your kickstand. I'm going to click this bad boy right here and give it a swing forward. Step two, break it from the center. Unhinge it from the center. Grab onto the stem, lift this guy up. You have a little hook right over here. This guy's gonna go onto the frame. Step, opening up the handlebars, letting that bad boy drop. Catches onto here, saddle goes down. You are all set. And one final trick that I learned over in the UK is if you tilt your seat over to the right, it makes it a little bit easier to carry with the center of gravity.